Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your list in Google Task as a PDF. To go ahead and save a list as a PDF, you want to go ahead and find the list in Google Task. Click the three dots on the right hand side and click on Print List. Once you have this appear, go ahead and ensure that you select Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF, whichever one you want. Click on it and you can choose the amount of pages that you want. You can choose a landscape or portrait. Let's leave it as it, and then go ahead and click and save. That's going to go ahead and give you a pop-up on your computer, and it's going to come with a save as type as PDF document. You can rename it to whatever you want. We're going to leave it as is. Select download folder and just simply go ahead and click and save. That's going to save it as a PDF document. So as you can see right now, it pops up, and this is the list and it's in PDF. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can easily find that within your downloads folder afterwards. Very easy and very simple.